Good morning. Today is a plumbing adventure of a compilation. So we are on our way to a call that you're going to see where I did a variety of different things at this house. We did a kitchen drain clean, a shower drain clean, we cleaned a lavatory pop-up, and a toilet repair. At this call, I did get my cable stuck, although I wasn't recording when it happened, which is kind of a bummer, but it's kind of a good thing. But yeah, this is the last time I told myself I wasn't going to use a C-cutter head. I don't know. I've had the worst luck with C-cutter heads where they tend to get jammed. I don't know what it is. I don't know. I don't know why that happens with me. But after this, I made it a point to say no more C-cutters. Luckily, I got it out. But there was a period where I had it cleared. I cleared the drain, but then I thought, well, maybe I'll just try to clean it with a C-cutter. And sure enough, I just threw it in real quick, got it stuck. So yeah. But anyway, enjoy the video, enjoy the jobs, and then I'll see you at the end, man. missed it. So I just had the cable stuck. You can see it's toast. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. And it's because of this guy. So they got a problem for sure. But I'm just very thankful I got it out. And we're draining. So really this needs to be no more cables, just hydrojetting for sure. But we're draining, dude. Water's running right now too at the kitchen. So we're good. All right, wrapped up, man. So this last call that I'm going to take you on is a faucet repair. This customer had a slow leak at her, or no, sorry, she didn't have a slow leak. The handles on her faucet were very stiff, and she had a hard time turning. She's older. She had a hard time turning the handles. So a previous plumber said, no, you just got to replace it. She had me out. I was able to determine that we could get repair parts. So I gave her a couple of options. I gave her an option to replace with a customer supplied faucet, to replace with a company supplied faucet, or repair. And she chose to repair. So we ordered the parts. They arrived. It took a while, but they came. And then, yeah, I've already made this repair. Obviously, it's a compilation video here, but I will see you at the job to make this repair. All right, man. See you there.
Ok, los taladros los trajiste, ¿no? No marqué los barros. No afecta mucho. No, que activa 3. ¿Vos se lo ahorita, ¿verdad? ¿Quién lo fue a traer? ¿Ah? ¿Pero lleva la grúa? Ajá.
All right, we are wrapped up and easy peasy. Thankful that we got those parts ordered. What you don't know right now is because I'm not actually leaving the job, but this is older, or actually, sorry, that video was older than what I'm recording right now. I actually had to go back to this house. So you're gonna see it on the next video of me going back to the house. One of the cartridges is leaking. I didn't notice it dripping, but there is a very small drip that needs to get fixed. So yeah. So anyway, we're done with the day in the life today. We're wrapped. We're gonna call it. And thank you for tuning in. Thank you guys for your support. I appreciate it. Thank you for every single one of you that hits like. That little stupid like button helps me. So thank you for hitting that like button. And that's it. See you next time, man.